Strong shot when I enter the rank 28. We are trying at them. Me won't want you able to pass up. Me have some things go by tomorrow, my bro. Me I look two gift gallery. Me no want. Me not talk about the pass at them because them not use me no more. Me name no more. Come back and make us. So make up people that call. Make up people me know the day I watch. Me not come back on the club go call no favorite. Me no want phone buckets. Me alright. Cause me no want Triple X lock off about the music pan me and say me make him lock off about the party and come talk it publicly like him can't embarrass me like I'm coming on the club I beg. Or in front of them fanfaring like yourself. And you got tell me say this man you couldn't send the boy $200 to go up on the road. Go deal with him in picnic business. In nasty bow cat mini you may come bout. You know can't put me down. And GX tell me so she have 5 dirty drawers in a corner. GX tell you say me have 5 dirty drawers in a corner. But this man and me have to send GX my $200 and tell the person to tell him say anonymously come on.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, Rosealee is not the scapegoat for people being bad to them children. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because she's being plastered all over the media, as you can see, from nationwide to the Jamaican star. You know what I mean? And now her baby daddy is doing an interview with these media outlets and basically putting the blame on Rosealee for mashing up them happy home and getting them kids taken away by the state. You see, man, say, and them also talk about Akeem. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, Akeem Batty business get exposed, you know. But before we get into that, let's take a listen to what CP FSA had to say about the whole situation. Because you know Jake said him get the call initially, right, come out of school quick because the people that miss here for his kids. I mean, and by the time him reach them, the people them gone. You see what I say? And them can't sleep not knowing, you know, him youth never come home and all of them shit there, you know what I mean? Because it's him, you know, take them to school, iron them clothes, you know, feed them, all type of these things, you see what I say? And he's not able to do that, you see. And Rosealee coming on social media, saying all of these damaging things is not making it easier for them to release the penny. As you know, they've been gone since Thursday. And we're wearing a Monday, that's like almost a week. You know what I mean? The greatest thing for them is the kids are doing well in school. They're popular for being smart. You know what I mean? Not because of their mothers, you see me? So the pitney them is not being abused physically, right? But through Rosealee, you know, open them mouth and say, Jake, I'm about to run all of them shit. You see me? She should really stop from doing that, The focus should be on getting the kids, not them. If Rosealee has this money, which she does, she should just get, you know, a realtor, and lease, you know, the house in Jake's name, so I can get the kids them out of government custody. And you know, she can work on her counseling and pass these courses. You know what I mean? But I'm just giving them an update on this part of the interview. He is blaming Rosealee and he is 100% correct. Let's proceed to the next.
Him state that he go to Rosealee and inform Rosealee what's going on. With Akeem's statement make it seems like is him inform Drake Wagwan. Not that you get from Akeem. No, that Akeem statement give you like he inform Drake Wagwan. So somehow from then and then the boy a lied long time. The boy a lied, and that is why when me I try to say why una tie Rosealee is a big problem. But stop tie the boy out of it, because the boy fuck up and use Rosealee weakness and I try escape it. It's just because how the universe turn it and the pitney get involved. Him still a try to cover himself. And the people them who not look into it, who no still love it. Just like how he cover himself from the fish allegation. Alright? So no not talk about it because him cover himself good from the fish allegation. Now you want him cover himself from all him fuck up Rosealee life?
Okay, people, this is the part of the interview where Jakes exposed Akeem, and RT Boss basically does the same, because I've been telling you Akeem used Rose to rebrand himself because he wasn't getting no bookings out here previously. As you can see, they booked him when he hooked up with Rose, but when Rose and him series they done, them no bother book Rose no more, them start book Akeem, and that is why he is distancing himself and making himself look like the good guy out of the. And now Triple X is trying to do the same thing, cause you know say he's not popping. You know what I mean? So let's see what Rose has to say about the situation, and we hear where him I try to manipulate out of the situation.
Strong shot when they enter the rank 28. We are trying at them. Me won't want you able to pass up me some things go by tomorrow, my broke. Me I look two gift gallery, me no want me not talk about the pass at them because them not use me no more. Me name no more, because I could have name boy ya. Look like I could have name boy ya, me no stay on the corner, me stay in my lane. Girl, kinda like look clout. Well, I want a clout tracer. Whenever someone look clout like dog, so love too much clout where. The internet the uproar from Friday for my name and today morning and all money them still a crucify me in one box. Chat we had one we look two gift gallery me so we can pencil out here so I stuck every minute, you know. Come back and make her. So make her people that call. Make her people me know the day I watch. Me now come back on the club go call on a favorite. Me no want phone book it. Me alright. Cause me no want Triple X lock off about the music pan me and say me make him lock off about the party and come talk it publicly like him can embarrass me like I'm coming on the club I beg. I'm come and leak out one buckle to get something for drink. Yeah, 420 there. 420 there and Taboo. I work a club in Jamaica. You have still have 420, you still have Taboo. All over. Me now come back in there, you not gonna embarrass me. You not gonna make a selector come private come embarrass me. So like I'm going to make a beg and spend, I'm going to spend, I'm going to a beg. Me never know say, I mean make the club lock off like me a menace to in there, come in there beg or something for no lock you off. So like when me know me now come back in there, come in at an insult for the invitation. That's why me stay home. Come chat. Me show them the good girl, them. I look the gift girl already. Page I stuck every minute. What them a don't drink place here, man. Bumbo, somebody can buy more vault. How that? And Rosealee chat we are go up in the east of August. Yes, sure the one go up there. None of my best them there can buy me the local post. Me not going back in there. And still me know I tell say you look Jake so fuck you know. I want come tell the internet say yeah look just so fuck you got about your talk your part. You take the boy, put the boy up on social media, and this man when the boy want to go about him business, the boy can't go because him get gift yes and him get tool for PayPal yes. The PayPal fresh the money now come off the same time. When the PayPal fresh the money not come off same time, and even if the money come off same time about $100 or $200. And like how it fresh some would automatically stock. Everybody has a problem there with PayPal. When the PayPal fresh, you just not use a PayPal, you send $100 to somebody, $50 stock or some it all stock. Or probably that got you and probably that one they got you and then the other transaction will start to stock. Me have PayPal thief my $1,000 up till today them not come so come talk. The boy want to look at money for God doing business, cause him not have it. You take the boy, have the boy a chat me, bring him on social media for class me, for you can song in a box, so you look a whore in friend and fanfaring like yourself. And you got them say this man you couldn't send the boy $100 to go up on the road. Go deal with him in pick the business, in nasty bow cat mini, you may come bout. You know, can't put me down. Yeah. Clean. Yes, so clean. I want the whole I want to say my bad man. Yes, so clean. Yeah. Him want help. Everybody want help. Everybody want $5. That's not the point. You have the boy for one class, my pa, you can hear the pan. Oh, and GX tell me so she have 5 dirty jars in the corner. GX tell you say me have 5 dirty jars in the corner. But this man and me have to send GX my $200 and tell the person to tell him say Anna man. anonymously. Come want him go look for him, you them. Me. Stinking old me the ones where me still they will just come sorry for him. And me will always sorry for him. And me will always have him back and I'm a pity them father. Me just not want him to there with rotten wall. Me just not want him to there with. But me will always have him back. And then call him want to trace when I hang up my phone coming off a liberty. It's me saying I'm 200 them anonymously. It's my one. Because I know I'm not going to send him to him. I know I'm not going to send him nothing. I know I'm not going to have him back. I know all of the things I want to clout off of my name. For one of the born and work on the can kick on the life and establish Rosealee start from R and which right out till you reach E. That's all I want to do. Something for one to start on the life. When you start, you know, can't talk about Rosealee. I want to start from R to the establish out the E. I want to chat me from dusk till dawn. I yes to. No black. This prayer crosses man me walk and pick up the talk to. Man for come sit down and chat me and throw me at the bus. From the first man I chat to the last is prayer crosses. And my people for that crosses. I need to see man and leave man. Cause no more not turn me in a mascot, you know, and no more not turn me in a goon. And I can't pick up liar from a mile, and I can't pick up user from a section. And I can't pick up me no wire from me see the first punch. Can't pick up me no wire from me see the first punchline. Some of them own the things that did that trick themselves. Well, that's what we are talking about. Me I talk about big old mini, sexy mini, dirty big woman from over Canada. But one just spit in her hole, spit coal in her hole. I use him foot and step up in height. Dirty woman them here talk about. We come and she come for talk for your part. Me well want to hear what Drake tell you say. Me well want to hear what Drake tell you say, auntie. No come here, me no come for cuss him. Me no come for cuss him. Me no come for cuss him. Me wait until the Wi-Fi chip in. The Wi-Fi glitch kind of gift now throw. We want some other gift. We want 2 more gift on the gift gallery. We not talk on dry throat reasoning. Thank you. We not talk no more till we get no gift. We want 2 gift gallery. We look 2 more of 20 there. 25 we are try go up in the ranking. I would that. Yeah, need to put on a few pounds on them head. You want to go up in the ranking. So no, but that now work. Let me stop talk too much crowd there. Don't have for that now. For that now. We want the Instastellar, the work with the great boy. Me one line last time I thank her mix. Thank you baby, thank you need and lady shade and the good girl. Mix them one line last time I thank her. I want to show me in a temper. What pussy parlor? Trot, we are look the Instastellar for the gallery and the work and play on. I mean, I talk nothing work on no girl now. Come have me name all both in the world. You have me name lady shit all both in the world. No come sit down for me. Me have problem. When me a go about my business, me can't go. Me too long on. Me know the girl come sit down and look up on my mouth. Me have problem. When me a walk go about my business, I go about my business whenever. Me have to go about my business, me have to walk with something. Me have problem. Me have problem, but me can't take the bag of yeah. Me have problem. Time now to see. I look 2 more wheel. No want nobody come slung for me at work. Me come. Me not gonna be the one like someone who go call my phone and in my ears like come and send the Drakes. And when the time come, me want to go look about in business and can't get not even an assistant for my soul. Because all no one the boy come tell me say, and I need my big ass stink. And the girl will have the $5 in a corner. Me could have reached out to him and to him rescue. As I said before, it's my baby father. And I know when him broke, I know when him hungry, I know when him stressed. Long time with it. We know when the company internet for drying the boy if he catch. We know when the company internet for drying the boy if he catch. A long time you know you're a cloud chaser, you know. Okay, for the first time you're Okay, for the first time you just to talk, I tell Jason to tell a woman be paya. I laugh so you know who say I Jakes with mother. Tell if you tell me tell Jakes tell us you not him not no woman. After you never send them a dollar them the time they when you look body. I don't know you gonna send it now. It's true chat. For the time the fashion look body fan Jakes. She never send him a dollar. Me know she never gonna send him blood clot now. It's only a matter of time. Copy with them walk and look. See ya? See the stinking hole here. Me follow her blood clot come out when Jakes. She over there, she nah add me. Make if you go over there, go on. Play dandy shandy and Chinese skip on them. Come here, one question, you know. Me want to confront her, you see. Me say the woman nah add me, so me go confront her, you know. For Jakes have to shut up.
And let's hear what this fraud has to say.
Livelihood. So even if I saw no meet her, when she, you know what the frig up thing about it? Look how much people on TikTok dead the past couple of months or over the year. And when them dead, what happen? One of us put up our picture, RIP, this and that. Wait till our funeral come. Couple TikTok got the funeral, go live, forget couple viral moments, and them something there, and then them get some gift from people tap up the screen while them there our funeral, and then when they left the funeral 2 weeks later, everybody forget about her. And move right along, on to the next one. People, only need to look on what go on right now in a society and say, these people on social media, it is not real. It is not real. We want to see pass upon the love we want to get from them people upon social media do not love you. They do not love you. They might use you just for entertainment purposes. And after you're gone, they might go on to the next person who can fill your space for entertainment purposes again. So, una say uno respect Rose and want the best for Rose and them something. Una see everything we go on right there. So, uno understand so she got through a whole heap of trauma because she was essayed when she was younger. She was beaten, physical abuse, emotional abuse and all them something. And instead of encourage her if you go get help, uno want her to come here, come ball out her, go to uno every day on TikTok. To entertain uno. Uno don't care about the person. Uno don't care about the person. Uno love the person. Uno respect the person. You don't have to go on medication to get psychiatric help. You go to a psychologist or psychiatrist, you can sit and talk and reason, and they have techniques that them can use to unravel the knots, the mental knots, and break down mental barriers that you have and allow you to vent and get out the tension out of you. There's many different ways that they can do it. Them are professional, me are not professional. They are the professionals. They need to seek professional help. This is why them people go school, go medical school first, then them go psych, them go do them 7, 8, 9, 10 years of studies if you go do this. That's why them people earn the money them earn. Spend the money where you make to fix yourself, because health is wealth, and health is not only about your physical being, your mental health is very important as well.
Yeah, crab leg Steve just always in our people business, you know. But anyway, people, we're not going long and it's not long, you know. Follow me on TikTok or I'll go live later and chat all them people business, you know. I'll put my links in the comment section. But my channel on TikTok is Kingmixup, one word, obviously. And we have a next one that's the one we're going on live. It's the Kingmixup channel. Yeah, subscribe to all of my platforms and turn on the notification bell so you know when we go live on any one of them. When we drop in the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, or gossips. Bless.